Friends, welcome to my channel BSc Agriculture. I have already made an exclusive video for 12th. If you want to watch it, you can able to watch it by touching the link in description. So while coming to the opportunities, I have classified into three. They are state, central and your own startups. While seeing the opportunities after your UG program, like in state-wise, you can able to go and apply TNPSC, bank or else JRF. Or else while in centralized programs you can able to apply it in corporations, boards and privates. So having a maintenance of creating your own startup, you can able to create an agri based startups like honeybee vendor or else mushroom cultivator. These are some of the examples. And while having a small scale agri products, have marketing of a finished agri goods. So the own startup is a bigger portion, so I am going to make another video in my channel. So while coming to the state wise opportunities in TNPSC, there is only one post known as AO, which is an agricultural officer. To get an agricultural officer, you must need to pass in general paper as well as agri paper. After passing in these two paper, you are going to have a face-to-face interview. So while pausing in these three question papers as well as face-to-face interview, you can be appointed as agricultural officer. And to buy your promotions, you must need to have a separate examination in the field. So while seeing in bank, you can be appointed as agri field officer, which is done by IBPS, known as Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, which is almost done in January. And you must need to pass prelims, mains and face-to-face interview to be appointed as agri field officer. And while seeing JRF, which is known as Junior Research Fellowship, you must need to be appointed as Junior Research Fellowship in schemes done by the universities. So based on the period of scheme, you are appointed in that university as a Junior Research Fellowship. So these notifications are mainly done by Center for Students Welfare. So these JRF are mostly taken by the UG students who are applying for MSc and PhD, so they can able to work and earn as well as they are preparing for the MSc. So while seeing MSc and PhD, you can able to have an ICAR examination to eligible for this test, and you can even able to get a scholarship amount from the university while studying by placing the top ranks in the ICAR examination. After finishing MSc and PhD, you can able to go as a professor in universities as well as private colleges. Based on the college, the salary package can be decided. So while seeing central jobs, there is a National Seed Corporation, Food Corporation, Central Warehouse Corporation and FSSAI. These are the central vacancies for agri graduates. So while seeing National Seed Corporation, you can be appointed as agricultural officer, marketing officer, agricultural store officer or quality control. These are the four posts or vacancies in the National Seed Corporation. You can able to apply it and join there by having a written examinations. And in Food Corporation of India, you can able to be a technical assistant based on your UG graduation. By applying in FCI, Food Corporation of India, you can able to join as technical assistant in FCI, or else you can able to apply for Central Warehouse Corporation. There are two posts, which is known as Junior Technical Assistant and Junior Superintendent. These posts are mostly filled by the examinations. You can able to apply it in Central Warehouse Corporation webpage, or else you can apply for FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, which is a Central Food Safety Officer for you are applying for. In those students can able to apply it for Central Food Safety Officer, and for or else you can able to apply it on boards like tea boards, coffee board, rubber board, coconut boards. Use to give a separate notification for the requirements. You can be able to check those boards so that you can be able to get notified if there is any requirement, or else you can go and apply for private jobs. You can be appointed as area manager or marketing manager. You can able to get a salary package of 28,000, which is a minimum salary, and you can able to get promoted after few years. So like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.